Namaste. You are listening to Fail to Win, written by Dinesh Patel, Air Warrior, and narrated by Mitali Pirangute. Chapter 7, Power of Commitment. There lies an immense power in commitment. Our physical height grows till the age of 22, and after that, we grow and reach higher heights only through our honesty, trustworthiness, and commitment towards our duty. We all must develop a habit of standing by our commitment. Remember the famous dialogue of Salman Khan from his blockbuster movie Wanted.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता। रतन टाटा एक बार एक सिग्नल पर रुके हुए थे। उनकी कार के बाजू में एक फैमिली स्कूटर में खड़ी थी। बहुत धूप थी और रतन टाटा इस फैमिली को देख सोच में पड़ गए। उनको लगा कि अगर कोई गाड़ी स्कूटर के आसपास की कीमत की बनाई जा सके तो कैसा रहेगा।
Rest is history. We all know how affordable nano car was made. Over some time, many extraneous factors demanded the car price to be raised. However, Ratan Tata never agreed to that. For him, his commitment to making an affordable car was much stronger than the market's demands. Commitment increases your self-esteem. A sense of conviction and commitment towards your duties make you a better person altogether. Each time you stand by your commitment, you raise your brand value. The concept of commitment is encrypted in the pages of history as well. Rajputs were so indulged in a commitment that they carried a saying of, they were so dedicated that the great Akbar always had Rajputs as his army chiefs.
गंगा कितनी भी बड़ी हो जाए पर गंगोत्री की ऊंचाई तक कभी नहीं पहुंच सकती।
Shiv Khera says that ability is important, but dependability is crucial, and ability without dependability is a liability. Money creates your price, commitment creates your value. Even if you lose money, your value remains. In the most difficult times, I chose to lose money but fulfilled my commitments, which sustained my self-esteem and confidence and helped me to rise back today. One should be predictable under unpredictable circumstances, and that is called a commitment. A constant and sustained commitment builds your goodwill over some time. At any cost, one should maintain the commitment. Employees are the first customers. Employee satisfaction comes before a customer's satisfaction. Kantibhai Patel of the Excel industry was once asked about the no-strike concept that prevails in his industry, unlike his contemporaries. He gave a very simple answer. Firstly, I never go home from work. I just visit one employee's home first. Secondly, once a week, I dine in the factory canteen with the workers. This is a simple management principle. I, in my company, used to delegate all the powers of buying and selling to the employees, so that while finalizing the order at the customer's place, they themselves can decide at what price they should close the order. I maintained a family kind of relationship with my employees. I often gifted flowers to my employees, encouraged them in important decision-making stages. Though mine was a small company, many of my employees stayed with me throughout my journey. Once, one of my friends said that by training them, I am only making more competitors. My answer to that was, I was building entrepreneurs, a new India. As the saying goes, takers can never be the giver.